Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove background from an image here in Adobe Express. Now the best way for us to do this is by heading over to Adobe Express, and you should be able to see here remove background. I'm going to go ahead and click this one right here, and then you have here drag and drop an image. So in our case we're going to go ahead and locate that particular image. So we're going to utilize this one for example. I'm going to go ahead and click the open button right here, and then we should be able to see it here. So what should do the magic? And there you go. So now you have this image right here with all the background color removed. So you can then go ahead and click the download button right here, and you can see that now if you click this one, we should be able to see the image without the background. We're going to choose photos, and there you go. So you can see now how clean it is. Right, but that is also going to depend on the subject and the foreground or the background. Again, everybody, that's the easiest way in order for us to remove background from an image.